So this is a 2016 JCB 4220 fast track. So it's 6-cylinder, 220 horsepower with a 65k Vario gearbox. It's equipped with front linkage. It's in really good condition. One front hydraulic service, and it has external front linkage control. It's on a hydraulically suspended front axle. Front bodywork and grille is immaculate. No large scratches or dents anywhere. It's got LED front work lights, pivoting front mud guards. Front tyres are MLL 670 R30s, and these are about 80 to 90% tread remaining. Really good condition. Cab glass all round is immaculate. The rear tyres are BKT 670 R30s, and these are about 20 to 30%. You've got external linkage spool and PTO controls on both the left and the right hand side fenders, LED rear work lights, Cat 3 rear linkage with a manual top link, 4 rear spools, power beyond, ABS, and a hydraulically suspended rear axle, and a suspended cab. Got split mirrors, battery covers in good condition, exhaust stack showing very minor signs of rust, but no dents or scratches. So in the cab of this JCB, the trim and plastic's in really good condition. Got a leather passenger seat with a fridge underneath, a Gramma air suspended seat, leather with heating, headline is immaculate. You've got a Bluetooth radio and air conditioning, all electronic spools. It's done 6,916 hours. It starts to run as well. So this fast track is currently in stock at our site in Littleport, and if you'd like any more information or you would like to come and have a look at it, please get in contact with us at Thurlow Nunn Standen.